Hello everybody, and welcome back to Sip and App. If you can ever get your hands on a really good piece of sashimi, you've got to try making tartare at home. It might look fancy and expensive, but it's actually way easier and way less costly than ordering it at a restaurant. Plus, you don't need to be a sushi chef to make it look impressive. Today, we're making two versions, an Asian-inspired tuna tartare and a Mediterranean-inspired salmon tartare, both packed with layers of flavors and textures. So let's get started. To make a good tartare, I follow what I call the ultimate flavor formula, consisting of the following 7 flavor agents: something salty, sweet, umami, sour, bold flavor, herbs, and fat. It's kind of like making a great salad dressing with the right balance of these elements. And once you learn this formula, you can experiment with other spices and herbs that you prefer. Since there's no cooking involved for this recipe, all you need to do is some chopping and juicing. And here is how I prepare the fresh ginger juice. It takes a bit more effort, but you only need a tiny amount of this pungent liquid, and I promise it'll be worth it in the end. Now, before moving on to the fish, I strongly recommend sharpening your knife, especially if you haven't done it for a while like myself. From here, everything is going to come together very quickly. Simply start by dicing sashimi-grade tuna and salmon into small cubes and transfer them into separate bowls. Then add all the ingredients for each tartare, mixing gently until everything is evenly coated and glossy. The key is to fold, not mash, to keep that delicate texture. Now for the presentation, because let's be honest, we eat with our eyes first. So for the salmon, we're using thinly sliced cucumbers for a refreshing crunch that complements the Mediterranean-inspired ingredients. And for the tuna, we're laying it on a bed of thinly sliced radishes. The slight pepperiness of the radish pairs perfectly with the richness of the tuna and enhances those Asian flavors. And there you have it, 2 stunning tartares made side by side with just a handful of ingredients. Now pour your favorite drink and serve the tuna tartare with rice crackers to go with the Asian theme. And for the salmon, use pita crackers or my favorite, potato chips for the extra bit of salt and crunch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!